In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add emotion to ElevenLabs voices. This technique can truly transform your audio projects, making them more engaging and lifelike. Whether you're creating an audiobook, an interactive story, or just a fun project, a touch of emotion can make a world of difference. To begin, consider the power of punctuation in conveying emotion. Instead of sticking to the basics like periods and commas, try incorporating exclamation points and ellipses. These small yet mighty symbols can change the tone dramatically. For instance, an exclamation point suggests excitement or urgency, while an ellipsis can introduce a sense of hesitation or suspense. Next, capitalize words or phrases you want to emphasize. Much like when we speak in real life, placing emphasis on key ideas not only highlights their importance, but also enriches the emotional texture. For example, saying, "I can't believe it," delivers a different emotional punch than simply stating, "I can't believe it." This small tweak can be surprisingly powerful. Another important factor to consider is the voice settings themselves. Adjusting stability and similarity can have a big impact on the emotional range of your audio. Lowering the stability parameter will create more emotional variation, which could be just what your project needs to sound more lifelike and animated. Don't be afraid to play around with this setting until you achieve the desired emotional resonance. Sometimes less is more. Instead of attempting to alter long chunks of text, break it down into smaller segments. Manipulating smaller sections allows you to apply precise emotional changes and makes it easier to test and refine different combinations. This process might take a bit longer, but it's well worth the effort for a seamless, emotive result. A useful tip is to use descriptive text to express emotions, much like a stage direction in a script. For example, adding "he said sadly" or "she exclaimed with joy" can give the AI voice clues about the required emotional tone. These kinds of markers help guide the voice towards the desired emotional expression more accurately. As you experiment with these techniques, remember that the key is in balancing all these elements to create a voice that truly resonates with your audience. A little trial and error can go a long way, and sometimes the most surprising combinations yield the best emotional results. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you feel empowered to start embedding emotion into your audio projects using ElevenLabs voices. Like any creative process, it may take some practice, but with each attempt, you'll refine your skills and enhance your projects. Enjoy experimenting and finding what works best for you. Happy creating!